Hey guys, and welcome back to We Love Katamari. Let's talk to this fucking elephant. Hey, this is the bird. I love Katamari Damacy. I've played till my feathers fell out. While I play, I think, gosh, if only I were that big. What? I have it wrong? You can be big inside. Oh, that's true. Being big inside. It's all about heart. It makes us think, what are we going to do? What will we do when we grow up? Oh, dip. Panda, giraffe, which is more us? What, a bird? A little bird wants to be bigger? Well, why doesn't he just go do it? Your Highness is tweedly wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, let's do what we like. Make a bigger Katamari, footloose and fancy-free. Whew! Shall we go then? There's no point in thinking only about the future, so let's start rolling. Wowee, a 1M Katamari right off the bat. That's a heaping spoonful of extra help. Isn't that nice, Dip? You're so lucky. Anyway, today's lucky winner gets this much time to make this big a Katamari. Holy shit. What a savings. Lucky Dip, it's all yours now.
Come on, everybody!
I love these orange baskets. They're so cute. How nice. Yeah, this is probably the last thing I'm gonna do. Like, I've been recording these in bulk today, and this is probably the last one I'm gonna do because I'm extremely tired. And I kind of want to go to sleep. So I am gonna finish out this. And then I'm gonna go night-night. Oh, I just stole that from you. Sorry, I stole your rice cake, but it was delicious. Matsuri! Yes, blobby blue. Alligator pit. God. Horse? My god, I love these. Box man? I just got a box man? Not to be confused with that box man, but like an actual man in a box. Yeah, I'm sorry if my energy seems dead, but whew, I'm just really tired right now. Delicious. Delightful giant Ferris wheel. Look like some of the smaller houses, but not too much of them. You are so in the way, I wanna go roll up these buildings first. All these fish and yams. Some big old boys. Take all these cones. I'm gonna steal your gas stations. Oh man. There's so much noise happening right now, I can't even hear myself think. narration, so you won't get bored. I assure you, I'm not bored. I'm just tired. Game is lagging the fuck out right now. Oh shit, look at him, he's attacking the city! What's up, fucker? Ooh. Spaceship. What are these? Under construction. Oh, nice. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Holy shit. I am so sorry. We're at like 40 frames per second right now. This game is like having a Dinosaur, come back, I want you. Oh, forget it. Forget the panda thing. We don't want a panda. We are us. The king is the king. Just finally realized that we are nothing. The king of all conscious needs to make sure everyone has a happiness, habitat is important too. Think ahead, blah blah blah. Okay, let's make an even bigger Katamari. I mean, I can't read what you're saying because it skips by too fast. Holy shit. Look at that big fellow. 500M already. 500M. We asked for 500M Katamari? Really? You were thinking ahead too much. Can't remember so well. Since you're here anyway, let's make it bigger. You don't keep... Delicious. Take all of the land masses. You shall be mine. I'm strong as fuck. Pushing all this shit and I'm the size of a fucking ant, mate. You cannot stop me. Stop my reign. My influence over the world is astoundingly large. Fuck. I guess there is no rolling quickly here. I'm sorry I'm not saying much, I just don't have a lot to say. I don't feel very well and I'm pretty tired, so... I mean, I think I did pretty good. I don't know if I did the best I could have, but definitely did pretty good, I think. We will always be us, yes, no matter what anyone says. We don't fret about the future. The king is the king, you see. Ah, we feel so much better. Katamari? Oh, we'd forgotten. Wow, he's so big. Bigger than the Katamari from the last Katamari Damacy. It's 2,388.39 centimeters, yes? Of course you can make it even bigger. It has to be a lot larger for the little bird to get his confidence. This feels like this Katamari is nature-ish. Our queen may like it, but we prefer something more plancy. Oh, I sort of understand. I know how it feels to get bigger. I know now that if you're pointlessly large, you lose track of who you are. It's dodo to get big, only to lose sight of the small things. Thank you, Your Highness. I want you to have this Katamari. Oh, really? You're giving it to us? Seriously fabulous. Thank you. We're so pleased. What should we do with it? Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here. Because we did a lot. Thank you so much for watching. You made the beginning. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm going to rest now. Stay groovy. Bye-bye.
3, 2, 1.